Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So we have here our 1963 Chevy C10. Now, if you are new here, this has been a 3.5, almost 4-year project. So if you haven't seen any of our videos, please do consider subscribing. But what we are going to be doing today is working on getting bumpers on the truck, front and rear, and just tidying up some things. Also, we do have kind of a surprise. So I know I've been saying September, September, September. Well, today they arrived. Finally, we have all 4 rims here. So we have one painted. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. But we are going to get them all scuffed, painted, and hopefully clear coated in this video. So we're going to kind of show you how we did it. It may not be the perfect one, but hey, this is how we're going to do it. This is what's worked for us. So now we're just waiting on tires. So we have interior work still left to do, but we are coming down the final home stretch. We are really excited for this show in 2 weeks. So when you see it, it's a week away. But hey, this video is getting very close to the end of our run with the C10. Now it has been almost 4 years. And again, we say it every week. That is incredible where our progress has come. For somebody who only could turn a wrench, now I can build a whole truck. So that's an amazing accomplishment. Again, if you have the opportunity, take it. It's going to be expensive. It's going to be a lot of parts. It's going to be a lot of tools, but do it. So what we're going to do first, though, is we're going to start moving some things around. We're going to get the trucks out of the way, and we're going to get this thing outside. It is a gorgeous day here in Richmond. It is 80 degrees and just full of fun. So let's go ahead, move some trucks around, and get this thing outside. So man, those trucks sound awesome. I love the 2500. It's brand new. It's awesome. I love driving it around. But now we have also the C10. That thing just, every time it starts, I get excited. My heart starts racing. Everything just sounds and feels so good. But here we are at the rims. So you see there's 3 because obviously there's one that already has a tire on it floating around here somewhere. I know exactly where it is. Don't worry about that. We didn't lose it. It already has the tire on it. Now the tires have been ordered as of today, so I doubt they'll be here for the August 16th show, but I know they'll be here for the show in Nashville, which is going to be amazing. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to get these things out of the boxes. We are going to get the paint ready. We're going to get them scuffed. We're going to get them painted. We're going to get them primed. We're going to get these things ready. So when the tires get here, we take them to the shop, put the tires on, and we'll be ready to go. That'll be cool. We'll get those on there. What's also going to be cool is what I think I'm going to do is when we go to put on the tires, I'm going to drive the truck to the shop and get them put on the shop, and we can kind of see this truck from underneath of it. So that's going to be really cool, but let's go ahead, open these things up, and get to work. All right, so here are the rims. Now, this is one of them, obviously, not all 3. And they did come a little bit different from Wheel of Antiques. So this primer is a little bit more glossy and a little bit more smooth. the gloss primer, or the primer that came on the original rim, was like regular body primer. So I don't know if that's really going to make a difference, but what we're going to do first is we are going to take some 220 grit and start sanding it. So here's some 220. We're just going to get in here and start sanding back the primer just to scuff it up. Now, I used 220 on the last time and it came out great, so I might have to go a little bit softer. I know some of the people here who are watching are probably like, 220, you should probably not go that deep. But the way the tire and the rim looked on the other one, I think 220 turned out great. This is really going to dull up this gloss as well, get rid of it, and get it down to more of a primer look. So let's go ahead and we're going to start scuffing all three rims. So while we wait for the rims to dry with the clear coat on them before we can flip them over, we are going to start putting on our bumpers. So we already have the hardware here. We just need to get the fender or the front bumper on. So let's go ahead, hop out, get that thing over here, and put it on. All right, so those rims turned out awesome. The bumpers look amazing on the truck. We are so excited for what's to come. We have to redo the roof in clear, redo the doors in some clear. That's going to be a project for next weekend. We've done quite a bit. Now, I did call and speak with Diamondback Tires. That's the company that we got the one tire from. We ended up ordering all three. They said originally that it's a 3 to 3.5 week backlog right now. Now, I did call and speak with one of the gentlemen there. He said he was going to try to work on getting it here. Now, I asked them if I could have them here by August 14th, which is a quick stretch and a quick turnaround. Now, I don't know if that's going to be possible. They haven't gotten back to me since the order and since talking to them the first time. Now, hopefully next week we'll have an update and the tires will be here. And the tires will be here for one, that show. So that show is also NASCAR weekend, which is going to be awesome because I think what we're planning on doing is taking the truck to the show, then taking the trip over to NASCAR and hanging out with the truck at NASCAR of Richmond. So that is going to be a huge event. I can't wait to do that. That's going to be a blast. It's going to be a fun time outside YouTube. It's going to be a fun time inside the YouTube channel kind of thing. Hanging out with the C10 in public. So we do need to get to DMV as well to get the car registered, the truck registered. It is insured already. Haggerty, thank you so much. I've had Grundy in the past. A lot of people have problems with them with other things. So I kind of got rid of them and decided, let's try Haggerty. Not a little bit more expensive for the truck. Got $25,000 of stated value on this truck. Might not be worth $25,000 to a lot of people, but it's worth a lot more than that to me. But hey, this thing's almost done. We need to get the tires changed. We have some stuff still left under the dash, like e-brake, and we have the vents and the heater core, and then we're almost done. We have some wiring to tuck up, put away, and get it all looking good. Now, everything in the back is pretty much done. A couple bolts just to tighten up and whatnot. Got to figure out one or two things in the back. Not a big deal. Work on trying getting a license plate bracket back there so I can put the back license plate on. Up front, right in here, all we have left is the heater core tubing and whatnot, and the engine is complete, and the engine bay, everything is here. Everything is charging. Everything is doing what it's now supposed to do. We still have our exhaust pipes to run to get them back out of the cab. Now, I have been doing a lot of thinking. Every time I start it, it's very loud. Maybe we do some mufflers. Thought about it. Don't know if that's going to be the answer. We are still trying to do a side exit. We do have to run some piping under there to make it look better and whatnot. I think I want to do under the steps. That is a cool look. I want to take it to a gas station soon, maybe next week, and just see how it looks at a gas pump, getting gas in it, seeing how everything works back there, everything just together. That'd be a really, really, really huge feat in this truck. This truck has come a long, long, long way. It's been such an excellent journey with you guys, and it's just a blast. And we'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the C10. So that's going to be a wrap for today. We'll see you next Saturday.